Alright, September 12th, 2023. Haven't done a video in a while. Kind of on pins and needles, but I think we're going to be okay. If you read the reports today, we got a ton of mullet in stock. The mullet run has started out front. There's been blues around. Supposedly the false albies are back. Going to be a gorgeous day today. Got some rollers, but nothing that'll keep you away from the beach. Nice and clean and green. There's your moment of the day. Things are good. See what happens this weekend. I'm actually being a little optimistic about it. I really don't think it's going to be a major problem, and if it does get big, low tide should not be bad. And hopefully, from what I'm being told is right. I'm being told that the next 10 days is nothing but sunballs after tomorrow. Tomorrow we're supposed to get some thunderstorms. Other than that, that's it. That's all I got. There's another moment of the day there. That's pretty cool. All right. Fall is underway. Peace.